Alright you guys, welcome back to my channel. Like I said in my last video, we are gonna do a NYX Cosmetics review. As you see right here, I got everything. I got the foundation, the primer, the concealer, and for kicks I got a lipstick. Alright guys, so we're gonna start with the first step, which is the primer. This is the primer that I got for NYX Cosmetics. As you can see, it's a small little one, and we're gonna go ahead and put it in our faces. And as I told you, what's it called? Ew. It made a farting sound. I don't think nothing came out. Hold on, let me try. Alright guys, so the primer did not work out. When I tried to pump a little bit of product into my fingertips, it was not, what's it called? It looked really dried up. I don't know if I got an expired one, but I went and put my other primer off camera. So now I'm ready to put the foundation. So we're going to go ahead and try this one, which is from NYX Cosmetics. I saw that it had 5 stars, so we're going to check it out. It actually works out with us. So we're going to go ahead and remove the shield. It's a little... Also on Target, if you guys shop at Target, they have little samples of NYX Cosmetics, so in case you don't want to buy the actual big, big size bottle, you could just get little ones. So that actually works out. So as I show you guys, I do it with a brush. I'm going to put some in the brush. It looks a little too dark. Remember the last one, I actually got a really bright foundation, so this one hopefully it's not as bright. So we're gonna go ahead and apply that to our skin. Let me go get my mirror and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and got my mirror, which I did not have in my hand, which I should have, but we're gonna go ahead and blend the foundation to our skin, and hopefully it's not, or it looks fine. It feels really thick, like the e.l.f. brand. Wow, so maybe I added too much product. Can't even say the word. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with a sponge. Maybe that helps a little bit. I look too ew. Alright, go ahead and blend that out. Alright guys, so we're back and now we're gonna put the concealer. I already went and opened it off camera because for some reason I always have problems with that. So we're gonna go ahead and apply that. I'm really scared. Doesn't have like, it has a lot of product, but go ahead and put it underneath. Oh no, it's a little too dark. Like I said on camera, everything comes out a little more brighter. It's not bright, it's a little orangey. Put that underneath our what's it called, dark circles. I don't have that much dark circles, but I do have like little lines, like lines right here, and I don't like that. Ugh, it's burning a little too. I don't know if I just got maybe some really bad ones, but it's having like some type of reaction to my skin. Hopefully it's not a bad thing, because yeah, I'm already breaking out, so that's not good. I haven't had pimples like in a really long while, so hopefully I don't break out, because that would be bad. Grab a little sponge and go ahead and blend out the concealer. If you guys like my eyeshadow tutorial, I haven't even done a tutorial on this makeup. This was supposed to be meant to be done yesterday, but I couldn't film it yesterday because all my family was here and it was hard to film while they were talking. So I did film it today, and same thing happened. They're still, talking. But I mean, I know they're trying their best to be quiet. What's it called? This was supposed to be filmed yesterday, but I didn't film it, so I filmed it today. So this eyeshadow look, I did it off camera, so I did not film it. But if you guys like it, let me know and I'll do a tutorial on it. It's just like a little brown moment, So let me know if you guys like it. Alright, so the concealer is blended really nice. not too bad for $5. Actually, this was like $3, I think. I'm not quite sure. It was really cheap. I got like the mini travel size one, so I'm really happy they had little small ones. Little, you know, the little sample ones, because what if I didn't like it and then I just threw it away, you know? So I'm gonna do and conceal my eyebrows off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I went and concealed my eyebrows off camera. So honestly, the concealer does feel pretty good. It doesn't feel really bad. For some reason, all the concealers I've gotten, they feel actually nice. So we're gonna go ahead and set our faces with a what's it called? I can't think. What's it called? I'll just read this. Finishing powder. Yeah, finishing powder. So basically, it's like, you know, regular powder like to set your face after you put concealer. I did got the little tiny one, like I said. You can see it. There you go. Like I said, Target has the little sizes for NYX Cosmetics, so actually that was really convenient. And again, I'm having issues. I should open this before I started filming. Oh, there you go. Go ahead and open that. It's a little tiny one. It looks more like white eyeshadow, so I'm really worried about that. Otherwise, I probably would use my own, but I am trying to review the NYX Cosmetics, so I don't want to cheat. Go ahead and open that, and it looks like this little white one. It looks honestly more like a white eyeshadow, so hopefully it's not, because then it's not gonna work out. Go ahead and grab a little bit, get our mirror again. See how I can hold this. Gotta improvise here. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and dab a little bit with our brush. That looks like, okay, I'm gonna put some on. And there we go. So we're gonna go ahead and do the next step, which is, I believe, setting spray. But we're gonna do that yet, because I did just for kicks. I got a lipstick, and we're gonna go ahead and apply the lipstick. But before that, I'm gonna go ahead and do everything off camera, which is the blush, the bronzer, and I think that's it. So I'll be right back to do the review for the lipstick. Alright guys, so we're back, and we're gonna actually try out this lipstick. Hopefully it does really good. I chose like a really dark pinkish color. It looks kind of like a red. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hopefully it's not a red, because I'm not looking for a red. I'm looking for like a pinkish. It looks really dark on the back though, but we'll see how it turns out. I'm gonna go ahead and open the package. So this is how it looks. It has like a little fuzzy little thingy-majig. I don't know how I'm gonna apply this. It doesn't even have like a pointy little thing to actually go around the lips, so we're gonna go ahead and apply it, see how that works out. I guess just squish a little bit. Sorry, that's my dog's. There it is. So it is a little hard to apply it with this little fuzzy thing, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Alright, well that's all I can do. That is a lipstick from NYX Cosmetics. It does feel nice. It doesn't feel too bad. I don't like the way you apply the lipstick though. It is, I cannot get like more, what's it called, more detail with it. But this is it. So we're gonna go ahead and set our, what's it called, our makeup with setting spray, and this is how it looks. I got the really tiny one. So cute. It was like, what, $3? I'm telling you. Alright. Go ahead and set our faces. Okay, I'm not gonna say it feels wet because it clearly is wet. I don't know why I even said that, to be honest, but that was kind of weird. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, blow. I need to get a little one of those fans, you know, like a lot of the YouTubers have. Hopefully it was a setting spray, was it? Yeah, matte finish, Fini matte. And that was the last thing that I was supposed to test out from NYX Cosmetics. So yeah, you guys, that is it. This is the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, let me know down in the comments any other brand you want me to review. I will be more than welcome to do it. Again, I keep saying that. Subscribe to the video. See, I can't even talk. Please subscribe. Click on the post notification so you could get notifications when I upload another video. Again, thank you so much. I appreciate all the support I have from you guys. I am almost at 60 subscribers, so I know it's not a lot, but to me it's a lot, and I'm very appreciative. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright guys, so I am back from work. It is currently 12:15 a.m. I started work at 3:30 p.m. so I was at work for 8 hours, and this is how the makeup looks. Keep in mind I did have a mask on, so that's why the lipstick's so smeared, and I do have a little fine line right here, but that's one of my wrinkles that I have, I guess. And then right here as well, as you can see, I could get closer to you guys. So that is how I look like. The concealer actually pretty it worked pretty good. It held up like through 8 hours. I did got a lot of oily right here in the middle, but I usually get oily because I do have really oily skin. But if you are oily or maybe combo, maybe I would advise to get another foundation or concealer because it does get the face really oily. I think you should get more of a, sorry, that was my dog shaking. But yeah, I wanted to film the video because I know last time I didn't do it for e.l.f. Cosmetics, but I wanted to show you guys for NYX Cosmetics. So this is how it looks. I look crazy, I know, but I'm looking at the monitor, but yeah, you can see like all this is gone, and that's basically because of the mask. And yeah, I look so tired as well. I was knocking out like in the last hour of my where I was of work. But yeah, thank you so much, you guys. Again, I think I already did the what's it called, the outro for this video, but I'm gonna do it again. Probably will put this instead. So please subscribe to the video, share the video, and click on the post notification so you get notifications when I upload another video. Again, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.